In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import orders into WooCommerce. Whether you're migrating your store, backing up essential data, or just looking for a streamlined way to manage orders, importing orders in WooCommerce is a vital skill that can save you a lot of time and effort. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to install and activate the right plugin, as well as get started with importing your orders seamlessly. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser of your choice. Once you're ready, navigate to the login page for your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your website, so it's important to know how to access it. When the WordPress login page loads, you'll need to enter your username and password. These are the credentials you use to access your website's backend. Once you've typed those in, go ahead and click the login button. If everything is entered correctly, you should now be on your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, you should see the WordPress menu panel. Hover your mouse over the plugins option in that menu. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. From there, click on Add New. This is where we'll search for and install the plugin that will help us import orders into WooCommerce. Once the Add Plugins page loads, you'll see a search bar in the top right corner of your screen labeled Search Plugins. Go ahead and click in that box, then type in Order Import Export for WooCommerce. This will bring up a list of plugins related to your search. Now, look for the plugin titled Order Import Export Plugin for WooCommerce. It's developed by WebToffee, so make sure you're selecting the correct one. It should be fairly easy to identify because the name and developer are displayed prominently. When you've located the correct plugin, you'll see a button next to it that says Install Now. Click that button to begin the installation process. It may take a few moments for the plugin to download and install, so be patient while WordPress handles this step for you. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to an Activate button. Go ahead and click Activate. This step is crucial because installing a plugin alone doesn't make it functional. You need to activate it for it to work on your website. Now that the plugin is activated, you're ready to navigate to the plugin settings. This is where you'll actually begin the process of importing orders into your WooCommerce store. The settings will guide you through the process step by step, allowing you to upload your order files and configure the import to suit your needs. If you're unfamiliar with the plugin interface, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly, and many options come with tool types or brief descriptions to help you understand what they do. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed and activated the Order Import Export plugin for WooCommerce and are ready to start importing your orders. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to carefully follow each step ensures everything works smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.